who am I? I am the lawnmower man. I can hear your lawn's cries for miles. She say over and over, cut me. Cut me. So I pack up my burro and I ride for 3 days. For 3 days, I get no sleep. I take no breaks. Just to be here. To fix your lawn. For she is an abomination.
A what?
An abomination! An abomination!
I'm sorry, I don't speak Mexican.
Coño! Abomination. It's an American word. It means disgrace, shameful, not so nice.
Oh, I get it. You want to cut the grass.
Basically, yes. But to me, cutting the lawn is much more than just a job. It is
I'll give you $10.
sold. And may I say, senor, that you will not be disappointed with the skills of...